Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. And you may be wondering, what is this guy doing? There's a woodpecker, a mom woodpecker sticking, I don't know if right there. And she's making a nest. Can you see her? Right there. And I don't want to disturb her. But I just wanted to take this video, the sights and sounds of Guatemala. There are so many birds out here. And the mom is still looking out. But even Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 said the sounds in the morning, the birds are going crazy. Now they stopped, of course, when I'm trying to video. And the mom's still looking at me. All right, Crypto Mentor 99. Maybe bird watching is my new calling in life. But there's a ton. Oh, I'm going to scare her. Now she's going back in. Just don't dive bomb on me. And there were 3 or 4 more in that tree up here this morning. It was really beautiful. Maybe I scared him away. Maybe my face scared him away. But yeah, mom went back in a little bit more. Anyhow, the bird watching, call me the bird whisperer. Crypto Mentor 99 is now the bird whisperer or something. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And yeah, love y'all. Bye-bye.